check the battery health of your Windows PC. What you're going to do is open the command prompt and you're going to enter power cfg slash battery report. Okay, and you're going to press enter on your keyboard. From here, you're going to copy this path over here, Control plus C, and you're going to open any browser. I'm going to use the Microsoft Edge. I'm going to paste it over here and click enter on my keyboard. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and from here you can see our design capacity, our full charge capacity, and the cycle count. Okay, you can see my cycle count is 766. I've used this PC for quite long. You can see my battery health has depleted. Okay, to calculate for the battery health, you are going to take the full charge capacity all over the design capacity. Okay, the design capacity is the total battery capacity that the PC came with. Okay, all by 100, and you're going to get your battery health in percentage. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe.